Fire and Festivities, the Story of Bonfire Night. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of British culture. Get ready to explore the vibrant and historical celebration known as Bonfire Night. This tradition has a rich backstory, and by the end of this video, you'll understand its significance and how it's celebrated in the UK. Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, is a yearly event celebrated on the 5th of November in the UK. The night is marked with fireworks, large bonfires, and the burning of effigies, often representing Guy Fawkes. This is not just a random fire festival. It commemorates a pivotal event in British history. In 1605, a group of Catholic conspirators, including Guy Fawkes, plotted to blow up the Houses of Parliament with the aim of killing King James I. This act was an attempt to protest against the persecution of Catholics. However, the plot was discovered and foiled before it could be carried out. Ever since that day, the 5th of November has been observed to remember the event and celebrate the king's survival. In today's world, Bonfire Night is less about its historical context and more about community gatherings and fun. Here's what you can expect. Bonfires. Communities or families gather to light large bonfires. Fireworks displays. Many towns and cities host grand fireworks shows. Guy Fawkes effigies. People create guys, dummies representing Guy Fawkes, and children might even parade their guy, asking for a penny for the guy. These effigies are traditionally burned on the bonfire. Food. It's not a British celebration without some tasty treats. Expect to munch on toffee apples, parkin cake, and perhaps a cup of warm mulled wine or cider. To help you better understand and discuss Bonfire Night, here are some key vocabulary terms. Conspirator, a person involved in a secret plan to do something harmful. Effigy, a sculpture or model of a person, often created to be destroyed as a protest or in a celebration. Persecution, to treat someone unfairly or cruelly because of their race, religion, or beliefs. Bonfire, a large, controlled outdoor fire. Bonfire Night offers a unique blend of history, culture, and festivity. For those learning English and looking to immerse themselves in British culture, understanding events like this is invaluable. We hope you enjoyed our journey through the flames and festivities of Bonfire Night. Stay curious, and keep exploring the rich tapestry of English-speaking cultures.